In this video, I'm going to introduce the export as package functionality in SOLIDWORKS when connected to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. So inside of SOLIDWORKS, when you have an assembly open, you'll navigate to your 3DEXPERIENCE tab on the right, and then down to the Tools tab at the bottom. From here, you have a drop down next to this button, where you can see Export as Package and Import Package. Now, exporting as a package file is going to save a single file containing all of the assembly components needed to build this top-level assembly. That file can then be opened up by someone that you're collaborating with outside of the platform. Their changes can be tracked, and they can send it back to you. So exporting this package, we'll go ahead and activate this command. And we'll talk about some of the options that come up. So it's going to display all of the files that are needed to build this assembly. And for each component, we can allow either read-only or for edit access, so that when the future collaborator who's outside of the platform opens this package, they either see an editable version or a read-only version. So maybe I'll just select a few of these to be edited. Okay. From there, you're going to pick your destination for this file. I'll go ahead and give it a name first. So this will be our carving knife. And then I want to talk about these two destinations. So first of all, if you select folder on disk, you're going to specify a place on your local disk, and it's going to just generate one single file there. Right? This file can then be shared via email if it's not too large, or any other method for just sharing a simple file. Now, if you would prefer to save to your 3D drive, that's where you can actually create a shareable link through the platform for an external collaborator. So in my 3D drive destination, I can pick a folder. I'll open this up. I actually have a folder created for this purpose, external files for sharing. All right, and I'll go ahead and export. After the export is complete, I will head over to the platform. Inside of my 3D Drive app, I'll navigate to the appropriate folder, and we can see my SLD package was saved here. To share this with someone outside of my platform, I can select this file, head over to the Share with External tab, turn on the Activate External Sharing Link option, and then click Copy Link from here. After I click that, it is saved to my clipboard, and I can just paste it into an email or any other message where I want to share with the external collaborator.